slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? iReview Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a quick little look at these Jordan 11 infrareds. These are from YesKicks. They took quite a while to come here, but their shipping is good now. It's just I don't know what the two packages I ordered in March, they took forever to get here. So these are Jordan 11s in the infrared colorway, Jordan 11 lows. It's an older release, but a buddy of mine wanted them, so yeah. Before I get into everything, if you're new to the channel, show some love, subscribe, drop a like, turn on notifications, and last but not least, follow the Instagram. Link is in the description as per usual. And yeah, man, here's all the information. So the website, YesKicks.cn, email, service@RepKicks.cn, WeChat, RepKicks, and if you use the code iReview super tight there, but you can save yourself $15 on your first purchase on a new account, so keep that in mind. With that being said, let's just get into it, man. I'm not gonna spend a whole long time on this, but here's a box for itself. It's just a regular black Jordan box. Has like a thumbprint, or not a thumbprint, like a fingerprint here, kind of in that gloss. And then if y'all can even see that, there you go. But yeah, and then you got the white Jumpman here in the gloss white. And size tag, Air Jordan 11 Retro Low, black infrared 23, premium platinum. These are size 10s, adjusted retail 150. Basically for the outside of the box, some branding on the bottom. Inside, get some of this paper. Just has a bunch of writing on it. Don't really care to realize what it says, honestly, so just gonna leave it at that. Got a little authentication sticker right here as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for inside the box. Throw that to the side. And here are the shoes themselves. So you don't get any extra laces or nothing like that, just the shoes. So again, I'm not gonna spend too long on these. Honestly, they took forever to come. But yeah, they are nice. I don't really see any issues with them. I dislike Jordan 11s. Like, I don't hate them, but they're definitely not my type of shoe. So I'm just not a fan. But yeah, so they do look good though. Seemingly, I can't really, point out any flaws, but again, I'm not an expert on 11s because I don't really like them. So got the patent leather, the neoprene all over here. Infrared Jumpman on the inside. It looks really red on camera, but it's just infrared. Size 10 men's sticker there. And then you got the little size sticker or size tag on the inside. Got the 2-3 on the heel printed on. And then the little Jumpman as well. So this is like a cement colorway. It's not white. It's not matching with the midsole, as you can see. So yeah, and the patent leather again on the back. Does look good. Stitching looks proper as well. Overall, it does look like a good shoe construction wise. Just not a fan of the 11s. So besides like some colorways like Space Jams, I do like any really black colorways like the cap and gown 11s, or whatever those are called. Those are pretty dope. But the carbon fiber looks pretty good. Don't see any issues. Bottom, there's no paint bleeding. Got the translucent icy bottoms. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this shoe. Left shoe, same thing going on. Not gonna waste too much of y'all time today. No glue stains either, which is nice. Midsole is pretty squishy as well. If you guys hear puppy sounds in the background, my dog did have her first litter of puppies, so she's tending to those right now. But yeah, same thing. 2-3. Forgot to mention under the tongue you got that quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever. Same thing on the inside as the other shoe. There's this thing as well. Spacing's good, stitching's good. It should be like right in the middle of the third thing. So, yep. Looks good to me. Got the black rope laces. And there's the bottom of both shoes together as well. So, yeah, man, looks really clean. They're definitely a dope pair of 11s for people who like them, but again, it's just not my silhouette. I don't really mess with these. They're very alien looking to me, so yeah. I know they're a classic shoe. I know they're loved by many, just not for me. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it for these shoes, guys. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to follow my Instagram. Link is in the description at RVStuffTV. And with that being said, if you're new to your channel, show some love. More heat on the way. Hopefully, you have newer releases and whatnot. I do want to get my hands on a pair of Travis Scott Fragment ones. Those are pretty dope now that they're officially have a release date. So yeah, that's pretty much it though. Hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.